If you want to leave Evernote, whether that means signing out of your account or completely quitting the app, I'm going to walk you through both options step by step. This is a quick and easy guide, and it's especially helpful if you're switching devices, sharing a computer, or just want to make sure Evernote is fully closed when you're done. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software walkthroughs like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's cover the sign out method. Open Evernote on your device and wait for it to load. Once you're in the app, look down to the bottom left corner and click your profile icon. This is where your account and app options are usually stored. After you click it, you should see a menu appear. From that menu, select Sign Out. Evernote may ask you what you want to do with any local data or whether you want to keep a backup on the device. If you see that prompt, take a moment to read it carefully so you know whether your notes will stay stored locally or be removed from the device. Choose the option that makes the most sense for your situation. Then, if Evernote asks you to confirm, go ahead and confirm the sign out. Once that's done, you'll be taken back to the sign in screen. That means you are fully signed out of your Evernote account on that device. This is the best option if you're handing the computer to someone else using a shared device, or just want to disconnect your account for privacy and security. Now let's go over the second method, which is how to quit Evernote completely. This is different from signing out because quitting the app just closes it while keeping your account session available until you sign out manually. Start by making sure your work is synced and saved. That's important because you don't want to close the app before your latest changes are uploaded. Next, click the X button to close the Evernote window. On some systems, that may only minimize or hide the app instead of fully closing it. If Evernote is still running in the background, look for the Evernote icon in the system tray or notification area near the clock. Right-click that icon, and then select Quit Evernote or Exit. After you do that, Evernote will fully close. This is useful if the app is frozen, you want to restart it, or you simply don't want it running in the background. If you're on a work computer or a shared machine, quitting the app is a good habit, but remember that if you want to fully leave your account, signing out is the better choice. So just to recap, if you want to leave your account, use Sign Out. If you only want to close the app, use Quit Evernote or Exit. That's the full process, and it only takes a minute once you know where to click. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.